So hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel we do contents on motherhood, lifestyle, hair beauty, DIY videos and vlogs. So please don't forget to like and subscribe at the end of this video, and also share to your friends and family. So back to our video for today. We'll be doing 2-letter blending, 3-letter blending, or sand. You can actually say 2-letter blending or 2-letter sand or 2-letter words, and also reading of simple sentences. And the material that we'll be using for today's video is, as I said in my video where I highlighted what I'm using in teaching my toddler at home. So I bought a full pack of A4 paper, then markers, then this Unify. Reason for me to be putting whatever activities that we have done, I will be putting it inside this Unify. So meanwhile, the material now will be this A4 paper, then I use marker to write the lesson on it. So we'll be doing 2-letter blending or sand, which involves consonant plus vowel, and these are our vowels. So after the 2 letters, we move to 3-letter blending. 3-letter blending. Then after doing the 2-letter blending, reading of simple sentences. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Let's move ahead. Now let's do our 2-letter sound or 2-letter blending. Don't forget to say it louder, okay? Consonant plus vowel. Can you tell me your vowels? A, E, I, O. Good job. So move ahead and tell me your 2-letter blending or 2-letter sound. B. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Okay. Good job. Good job. Good job. Go to this place. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. So now let's move to 3-letter blending. Can you blend your 3 letters? Consonants, vowel, and consonants.
Cat.
Good job.
Can.
Good job.
Sack.
Good job.
Go.
Good job.
Sun.
Good job.
One.
Good job.
Cup.
Good job.
The bed. Zip.
Good job.
Open.
So now let's move to reading simple sentences.
I.
Can.
Run.
Run.
The. Is. Big. See. Is. Sad.
Good job.
Get. Is. Fat.
Good job.
The. Foot.
Mhm.
Cat.
Mhm.
Can.
Mhm.
One.
Good job. Oh yeah.
The
The
pig
peg
is
is
in
in
the
the
barn.
good job.
The
Mhm.
cup
Mhm.
is
Mhm.
last.
Mhm.
Mom.
Mhm.
A
A
N
N
D
D
and
and
D A
mhm.
D.
Mhm.
Dad.
Dad.
A R
Mhm.
E
Mhm.
A
Ah. Mhm.
Go
Mhm.
A
Mhm.
A
Mhm.
D
Mhm.
D
Mhm.
Go
Good. Good job.
Da
The
Lot
rat.
One
Run.
Up
Up. A and D is what?
and
And. Mhm.
Da
Mhm.
Uh.
Mhm.
Uh.
Mhm.
D
Hmm? What is this?
D
Mhm.
Mm.
Mhm.
Dum.
Down. Good job.
Bye.